Dear viewers, today we will discuss historical background of intelligence. Very important topic in educational psychology. Examples of intellect in educational psychology from the past. The study of intelligence in educational psychology has a long and complicated history that goes back to the early 20th century. Here is a brief summary of some of the most important local history figures and events. Francis Galton. Francis Galton was a pioneer in the scientific study of intelligence and was a distant cousin of Charles Darwin. He believed that intellect could be measured on a single scale and was primarily inherited. He developed measures of intelligence based on sensory acuity and reaction time. And he used the findings to justify eugenics policies. Alfred Binet, a French psychologist, developed the first standardized intelligence test in 1905. His goal was to identify children who needed special education support. His test measured a range of abilities such as memory and reasoning and compared an individual's performance to that of other children of the same age. Lev Thurman. Thurman, an American psychologist, adapted Binet's test for use in the United States and popularized the idea of using intelligence tests to rank individuals on a single scale of intelligence. He also developed the Stanford Binet intelligence scale, which became one of the most widely used intelligence tests in the world. Howard Gardner. In the 1980s, American psychologist Gardner created the multiple intelligences theory. He maintained that intelligence is a blend of various skills, including musical, spatial, and interpersonal intelligence, rather than a singular unifying trait. To identify students who might need special education services or extra academic support. Educational psychology still uses intelligence tests frequently today to comprehend students' academic strengths and weaknesses. It is important to take into account a variety of variables, including socio-emotional skills and learning preferences, as well as the limitations of intelligence tests.